Here at Acura Pickering, we have a Drive Shield certified 2018 Acura TLX Tech A-Spec. Here's a quick look at the exterior of the vehicle. Now let's take a look at some of the features inside. This vehicle has memory seat functions for 2 different drivers, power mirrors, locks, and windows, with an automatic driver's side window. It has leather trimmed seating, power seating, a sunroof up top, heated front and back seats, and comfortably seats 5 passengers. This vehicle also comes with steering wheel audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. It also has adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist, plus a heated steering wheel. This vehicle also comes with a built-in navigation system, a rear view camera with 3 different viewing modes. There is a normal view, top down, and wide view. It has AM, FM, and XM radio, a CD player, USB and auxiliary inputs, Bluetooth audio, dual climate control, and many more great features.